Hey guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of 20th Century Boys. I got 4 volumes. I don't know which volumes. We'll see. You will see in the title. And I got it from Book Depository. I think it's pronounced that way. I got it from this site because Amazon and Right Stuff and all that other site they take a lot of shipping money to my country, and this is free shipping worldwide. So yeah, so I'm not going to talk a lot because I stutter a lot in English, even though it might not sound like it. My English is not 10 out of 10. It's not my birth language. I think my first language is not English. So I ordered from 3 to 11 perfect editions of 20th Century Boys and 21 Century Boys the perfect edition, which includes the whole series except volume 1 and 2, because volume 1 and 2 were not available on Book Depository when I ordered. So I'm just gonna open it and see. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's volume 8. Okay. Very nice. It's shining. I don't know if you can see it. So, volume 8. It's my first volume of this series. I don't want to spoiler too much. I haven't read this manga either. So let's get right to the next one. I open it and stop the recording accidentally. I think that's how you say it. Again, my English is not 10 out of 10. So open it kinda. I didn't see what volume it was. And volume 10. And volume 11. And volume 4. So I got volume 4, 8, 10 and 11. Wait a minute. C4, 11, 10 and 8. Very nice, the perfect edition. Now I can add it to my collection. I will show you soon my collection. Okay. I'm sorry, by the way, if the quality of the sound and the video is not that good. It's my first video ever, so I'm just shooting from my phone. As you can see, 411, what is it, 10 and 8. Very nice. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next time.